Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Selenium Tech Automation. So in this today tutorial we are going to see the very important question, and also it is the first interview question for every tester who is going to give their interview. Okay, so this is a very important and the basic interview question for each and every tester. So here you can see all these points, right? So the first point here is tell me about yourself. Okay, the first question is about tell me about yourself, and also tell me about your project, whether it is current project or it is your previous project, and also what is your roles and responsibilities, and also why are you leaving your present company or your past company, and also why do we hire you. Okay, and also how many releases for your current project. So then they will ask you about did you speak any time with your client, and the last one is what is your testing process. Okay, so these are all comes under the first question. Before that interviewer is going to start his questions, he or she will definitely ask you about this question only. So if we answer this question properly, so then they will continue with the remaining questions. Okay, many of the candidates or peoples are rejecting on this very basic question only, because they are not able to explain it very well, and also they are not able to give the proper answer to the interviewer. Okay, so if we gave the answer properly, so then you can able to crack this first question. So then only that interviewer we will move to the next question. So before going to continue with our video, if you are new to our channel, that is Selenium Tech Automation, please do subscribe to our channel, and please don't forget to watch this video till the end, because it is very important question. And also please do a share this video to your friends or colleagues, so that this video will recommend to more people. Okay, let's get started with our today question, that is very first interview question, that is tell me about yourself. So we will see one by one all these questions along with the answer as well. Okay, please watch it carefully, and it is very helpful for you guys as well. Okay, so the first question here is tell me about yourself. Okay, so tell me about yourself. So how we can start answer for this question? So I will start it like, hi myself is I am Selim I mean hi myself I am Selenium Tech Automation. I am a BTech graduate passed out in the year of, you can mention the year when you passed out that BTech, and also I am carrying these many years of experience in both manual and automation testings. Okay, and also I worked on different domains. So there you can mention what are all the domains we have worked if you are an experienced candidate, like ERP domain, health domain, or different domains which are available currently in the market. Okay, and also e-commerce domain or banking domain. Okay, and also I am having very good knowledge and experience on automation using Selenium WebDriver as a tool along with the programming language, that is Java. Okay, in my current project I am using TestNG for execution purpose, and I am very good experience in hybrid framework. Here you can mention which framework you are very good at experience. Okay, you can mention that framework. And also I am using the ALM tool as test management tool, and I am having very good knowledge about SDLC and STLC. So here I am telling one example, that is ALM tool. You can tell like any other tools like Jira or Bugzilla. Okay, and also Azure DevOps also we can have. So this way, in this way we have to explain. We are using ALM tool as test management tool. We are using Jira tool as our defect tracking tool, and also we are using Bugzilla as my defect tracking tool, and also I am having very good knowledge in SDLC and STLC. Okay, so after that, in my current project we are using AutoIT to automate window based scenarios. As we know already, it is not possible to handle window based pop-ups with the help of Selenium, so that's why we are depending upon the third party tool, that is called AutoIT. And also as I am working with my current project as hybrid framework, so for this hybrid framework we are storing all these test data, whether it is input test data or validation.xlsx files. So how we are going to handle these files means with the help of Apache Py I am going to handle these Excel files. Okay, so the next one is tell me about your project. Okay, tell me about your project means, so you can explain about your project. For example, if I am working with Amazon application, so I have to explain him different flows which are available inside that Amazon applications, such as from login to placing an order, and also I am going to take some logout, right? So it is like kind of end to end flow of your application. And also you can explain him like dividing into some modules, like where what are all the modules I have worked. So you can explain in the same way, like I worked for these modules, like for example there are 10 modules in the Amazon application, so I worked on these 10 modules while doing automation. So in that way you can explain about your project, and also you can update here the challenges in your project. Okay, the challenges in your project. So you can explain all these inside your tell me about your project interview question. Okay, the next question here is what are all the roles and responsibilities. Okay, so as an automation tester, as a manual tester, okay, first I will analyze the test cases which are automatable and which test cases are not to be automatable. Okay, so the test cases which are automatable, first I can move it to some automation folder. So then I am going to write the test scripts for those test cases. Okay, after writing the test cases, as a part of enhancement the test cases, first I will start the debugging the test cases. Okay, first I will start debugging the test cases which are already scripted. So then only I will going for to execute all these test cases. Okay, so once that execution got completed, I will start analyze the results. Okay, once the execution got completed, the test cases, so then I will start analyze the result, like how many are passing and how many are failing. Okay, failing because of maybe there is some issue, maybe there is a presence of defect, okay, or not, I am going to validate here based upon the results. So if there is any defect, I am going to raise the defect in ALM tool or Bugzilla tool or Jira tool. Okay, after I updated in any test management tool or defect management tool, so then I'm going to assign it to respective developer. So once the developer start fixing the defect, so again he assign back to me as a tester. I will start retesting that particular defect. Then if it is working as per the requirements and also as per the customer requirements, I am going to close that assigned ticket. Okay, so then if it is not working as expected or as per the customer requirements, then again I will retest and I will reopen, and again I will send it back to the respective developer. Okay, so in this way these are all my roles and responsibilities. So the next question here is why are you leaving your present company. So for this question you have to answer in a smarter way. The line here is actually I am looking for very good opportunity where I can get a chance to work on new skills, and also I want to work on different domains where I can learn from others who is having more knowledge on different domains, which will motivates me to learn more things and which helps me a lot to do, and also which will helps to my career growth as well. And the final point here is and also I want to settle financially very well. Okay, so for because of these reasons I am leaving my present company. Okay, I want to enhance my skills and I want to work on different kind of projects. So I want to work on different domains, and also where I can learn new skills from other people who are working in this current team, so which will helps for me at career growth as well. And also the last point here is and also I want to settle very well via financially wise. Okay, so the next question is why should we hire you. Okay, so why, what is the use if I hire you means my skills and my experience are exactly matched with your requirements. Okay, for the job what you updated in the Naukri application or anywhere which is job recommendation application, so that my skills and my experience are exactly matched with your requirements. I will surely say that if you recruit me, I will never regret you at any time. and I am always try to improve your company growth in future point of view as well. Okay, why should we hire you means my skills and my experience are exactly matched with your current profile requirements, and also I will surely say that if you recruit me I will never regret you at any time, and also I am always try to improve your company growth in future point of view as well. So in this smarter way we have to update your interviewer. Okay, so then the next question is here, how many releases for your current project? Okay, for example we are following 8 releases per year. Out of 8 releases, 4 releases are very major releases and 4 releases are very minor releases. Here for every 2 months we are going to take one major release, okay, and for every 1 month we are going to release one minor release. Okay, so in this way you can explain, it depends upon your current project how many releases you are following. You can replace all those and compare with this line, like we are following 8 releases per year, 4 are for major releases and 4 are for minor releases. For every 2 months we are going to release one major release, and for every 1 month we are going to release one minor release. And also these major and minor releases we are conducting alternatively. Okay, and also these major and minor releases we are conducting at alternatively. Okay, so this is the answer for this question, how many releases for your current project. You can explain, depends upon your project how many releases you can have, you can explain in that way. Okay, so then the next question here is, did you speak any time with your client? Okay, for this what is the answer? Yes, we have meetings with our clients on weekly twice or daily basis as well, to discuss about work progress and how many user stories were automated and how many test cases which are blocked while doing automation, and how many test cases are executed successfully and how many test cases are completed successfully. So what is the pass percentages of overall test cases at suit level, and also if there are any application related details, along with that how many defects raised and what is the status of that raised defects. So likewise we will interact with our client on weekly twice or daily basis in a week. Okay, so this is how we have to explain if the interviewer will ask you about this question, like did you speak anytime with your client, you can explain in this very smarter way. Okay, the next question here is, what is your testing process? Okay, this is a very important question if you are giving your interviews and as an automation tester or manual tester. Okay, here the first point is, first we will analyze the functional requirement specification document. Okay, first we are going to analyze the functional requirement specification document, and also if you have any clarification required on the particular requirement. For example, if I want any clarification on the particular requirement, so then I have to report it to my team lead or our project manager through one document that is called as RCN document in the terms of requirement clarification note. Okay, so then once if we interact with our TL or project manager, we are going to send all these details in the format of RCN document, right? So then what this team will do, so they will send it to the business analyst to review this document. Based upon his reviews or comments, he will set up some call to discuss with us, like okay, he will conduct some meeting, like he will do some walkthrough sessions, which means KT sessions, where BA will explain overall the application status, what we have to do and what is the next step and how to stop our test cases, what is the next execution step. Based upon your inputs, business analyst will conduct some walkthrough sessions, so then he will clear you on all the doubts what you are facing. Okay, after completing the walkthrough sessions, we are going to write the test cases for a test scenario. Okay, once business analyst will provide you the details based upon your doubts, we are going to write the test cases for a test scenario. Okay, after writing the test cases, we are doing some code, I mean we are going to conduct some review meeting, like for example peer review or team lead review. Okay, so in this review meeting you have any rework on test cases, then we can do retesting if there is any possibility of mistakes which needs to be rectified by TL. Okay, so these and all comes under this peer review meeting or TL review meeting. Based upon his comments, we are going to modify our test cases or we are going to rework on the already scripted test cases. So these are all comes under testing process. Okay, what is your testing process means we can explain in this way. So then if there is any defects, for example, if there are any defects, so during my testing process, what I will do next, if I found any defects in my test cases, so then I will report it to developer, right? So after reporting to developer will start to fixing and he will send back to the tester. Okay, so once after he will assign back to tester, what are all the actions we are going to take, whether it is like retesting or regression testing. Okay, first I will I will do some overall brief about this one more time, that is functional requirement specification document where we need to do some analyze. Okay, once that is done, if you have any doubts after doing that analyze, after analyzing that functional requirement specification document, we are going to update all our doubts inside this RCN document, that is requirement clarification note. So once if we done with this one, we will send it to our project manager or TL, which is team lead. So based upon our discussion, this TL or PM will send this requirement clarification note to business analyst. So once business analyst will receive that one, so he will conduct some walkthrough session. So there he will explain you about the requirements or the doubts what you are facing currently. So based upon his inputs, we are going to write all our test cases for the test scenario. Once if we done with our test cases writing, so then we are going to execute test cases, right? So if there are any if there are any issues, we are going to check with our team lead. If there is no issues, so then directly we will send all these test cases for review, which is doing by TL, or we can do it internally with our colleagues only. So once this review got done by TL, so based upon his comments, based upon his inputs, we are going to modify our scripted test cases, or we are going to do one more retesting or regression testing. Okay, so in this way we have to explain like about all these questions. Okay, so this is all about the question what I just now shown to you. So the first question is here, tell me about yourself. The second one is tell me about your project. The third one is what is your roles and responsibilities, why are you leaving your present company, why do we need to hire you, how many releases for your current project, did you speak anytime with your client, and the last question is what is your testing process. For all these questions I already gave an explanation. Along with that explanation, I gave you some piece of note. So if you want, you can directly prepare for yourself, so then you can just go for any interview, so then you can crack that interview definitely. So please, if you like this video, please drop a like, and also please watch this video till the end. So if you have any doubts, please comment inside this comment section, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel Selenium Tech Automation, and also please do share this video to your friends or colleagues, so that they will also go through our video, which will recommend for more people if you do a share on this video. And also, so I am really requesting you all, please support my channel Selenium Tech Automation, which helps me a lot to do more videos on these kind of concepts, so that which will helpful for you, and also which will help for my channel as well. So that's all it for now. So I hope you people get some knowledge about this video after watching. So thank you guys, thank you so much. So I will come up with some other video in upcoming days. Until then, take care everyone. This is Selenium Tech Automation signing off. Thanks once again.